Hello everyone, I have come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find answer yourself first. You can write it in the comment. Let's start. We'll give you two different solutions. Let's start first solution. First, parenthesis 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now subtraction 6 minus 7 negative 1. Now addition negative 1 plus 7 equals 6. Finally, multiplication 6 times 2 equals 12. If you solved the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because while solving the problem, we should have paid attention to order of operation. The order of operation as code as PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, S stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here we have another rule. There is no order. Multiplication and division operation are performed from left to right. Similarly, there is no order. Addition and subtraction operation are done from left to right. Okay, now let's solve the equation according to the rule. Please like the video. Thanks for like. First, parenthesis, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now there are subtraction, addition, multiplication. First, multiplication. 7 times 2 equals 14. Now there are subtraction and addition, no ordered from left to right. First, subtraction. 6 minus 7 equals negative 1. Finally, addition, negative 1 plus 14 equals 13. Correct answer will be 13. Great job! Today we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and the rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.